All right, guys, we are here. 16-17 Upper Deck the Cup. I hope you're ready. It's going to be a good one. We're live. Good luck for the teams. And 7:48 on the clock. Here's your list of names. We got Terry, spot 1, Corey Norman, spot 30, Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, guys. It's a big one. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Team you're looking for here is definitely Toronto. But there's lots of good teams in the cup, lots of big hit potential. Third time on the random is at 7:49. 7:49 it is. Last and final random on the teams, and we'll copy them over. Washington, top spot. Check out who's on the bottom of the list there. Oh, actually, I got to get you a timestamp on the fourth. Or do I? Did I already do it? No, I didn't. 4 timestamp on the teams. 7:49 and 7:49 it is. Washington, top spot. Carolina, halfway mark. Washington, Carolina. Florida to Toronto. There's teams. Let's do the names. It is 7:49 in Newfoundland, and your names again are Terry to Corey. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3s at 7:50. 7:50. Last and final. Here we go. All right, let's copy these over. Fourth and final timestamp of the night is at 7:50, and 7:50 it is. So let's copy these over. Johnny, top spot. Besser, halfway mark. And then Tim to Pat. So let's check out the teams here. We got Johnny Washington, Nico Montreal, Scott Chicago, Joshua Colorado, Brennan is LA, Ian St. Louis, Doug Boston, Ian is Detroit, Jay Minnesota, Luke Nashville, Doug Vancouver, Nico Arizona, Paul Anaheim, Alex New Jersey, Besser Carolina, Tim Florida, Chad San Jose, Luke Dallas, Ian Islanders, Jay Philly, Tom Calgary, Corey is Ottawa, Chad Pittsburgh, Michael Winnipeg, Jay Rangers and Buffalo, Joshua is Edmonton, Pat is Tampa Bay, Terry Columbus, and Pat is Toronto. So there's teams. We are live in 40 minutes for this one. We'll see you then. Good luck.